Let's eat our lunch. This is my 125 calories, this one, and then this one is 100 calories. So this one is 225 calories. This is my leftover from yesterday. Yesterday my lunch is the same thing. So it's low calorie, high in protein. This is the part of the fish that I cooked yesterday. Low calorie, high in protein. It's only 225 on your lunch. And I have lemon water. That's it, guys. This is not bad. I put the whole garlic because I just love to eat garlic. So good. And I put the fresh tomato in it. Pag nasanay ka na kumain ng ganito kaunti, masasanay ka talaga. Pag nasanay ka na talaga. Ano ba yun? Does it make sense? Hindi, no. I need to do this to take care of my health because my calories is high. Not so high. My blood sugar is high. Not so high. But still. And my blood pressure is high. That is why I need to stick on fish, lean meat, no fat. Actually, this one, I cook this in air fryer. It is. This is a chicken. Catfish fish. Diyos ko, gutom na yata ako. Parang humaba ng leg ko. Catfish. And when I cook it, I just put ginger in it. Real good. So, I lose already weight because of my dress. The dress that I'm not wearing for 3 years, I can wear it now. I just want to be healthy, that's all. Sometimes you can have your cheat day, like once in a week. You can eat more than calories that you're taking a day. But most of the time, when I have cheat day, I eat 2,000 calories. As I said, in my age, I can eat 1,600 if I'm on a diet. Sometimes I cannot eat. Like yesterday, I just ate like 1,200 calories. And today, I don't think I can eat 1,000 calories because these are my first meal. It's 225 calories. In my dinner, probably, I don't know, fish again. So, ayun lang guys. I just want to share na eat healthy, live healthy. Kahit walang boyfriend.